Today I want to share with you one of my absolute favorite recipes, and that is brownies. So let's get started by making a slurry. This is ground flaxseed, and we're gonna be using 2/3 of a cup of hot water and just give it a little bit of a stir. The reason why this recipe is grain-free is because I'm using cassava flour. Then we're gonna use some brown sugar. So now this is cacao powder. The next thing we're gonna do is salt. Lastly, we got some baking powder. So with a little whisk, let's just combine all of that together. The reason why I'm using beets here is for two reasons. Number one, they are incredibly nutritious, right? Beets are like the cleansers of your blood. We've got melted coconut oil right here, so I'm gonna pour that in. And next, we'll have applesauce. It just gives a wonderful, that sort of a moist texture to our brownies. I mean, you look at the colors, there's that beautiful pink. It's just that itself looks so healthy. Really what we're doing right now is combining these two together. And for this, I am going to use my hands just because it is way easier to mix. Pretty much we're ready to place it in our baking pan. So the brownie is out of the oven. It's our brownie. Feels very rich and decadent. I hope you try it.